A man shared a post asking if he was wrong for choosing to attend his daughter's preschool variety show and play day over his wife's master's graduation, which are both scheduled for the same day. The daughter is from a previous relationship and he feels it's important to be there for her. However, his wife has been upset and very distant ever since he told her, saying this was a moment she worked hard for over the years and expected her husband to be by her side, especially since none of her family could attend. She believes a stepfather could have easily attended the preschool event in his place, but then her husband insists his daughter actually needs his presence. He promised to celebrate with his wife later, but then she is not happy at all. And wanted to ask, what's your take on this? Is the husband wrong for putting his daughter first on that day, or is the wife right, for feeling abandoned on one of the biggest days of her life? Let's hear your thoughts on it. I would think, master's graduation of a preschool, if we are to weigh in the effort that's put, I would say go for your wife's graduation. But then because the daughter is from a previous, marriage, and she is the stepmom to the daughter, panika kutaura kuti munhu anobva atotonge ukadoramba wakutisa naro wakutotonga usiri kuconsider usiri kunzwisa watovenga. Exactly. You're giving the stepmother vibes, the evil stepmother vibe, where you don't care. Saka, you don't care for her. It's equally important for her. She wanted me to be present, like the daughter, and you don't want me to attend my daughter's show. She's waiting for me. Stepfather, my week and but then I think guys as kind of master's graduation.
I think kudenga kuna section isinongiswa na mwari akaiswa nevanhu yema-step parents yokuti vanotanga vaiswa kugena vozoenda for trial, because everyone just think munhu akangonzi step parent atova evil. So whatever you're going to say, even utosuggesta zvinhu zviri nice, everyone takes it with a pinch of salt. Like ukangonzi step parent wakutove iwe ne evilness matonta 6
kuti wakutonge wako, especially kana wada uzoitisa naro kuti no usayende, yeah, kuti I want to be there, on my daughter's big day. She is acting. No, maybe she has a big role.
I will play. Yes.
And then there you are.
Because it's a variety, it's a play, and it's preschool. There are going to be plenty of those.
You want to trivialize it?
I'm not trivializing it, but
evil
stepmom. I'm saying, Kuti, for a daughter, and for daughter is permanent, but there are many ways, and you can show up for your child. You can even organize a play date, you
Daddy,
and your daughter.
I really wanted you to come.
It's fine. I stepmother.
I really want you to come. It's a big move because I really want you to come. Then about definitely I'm gonna come. Daddy, I really want you to come. I need you to come.
So it's dating a variety preschool over master's degree yemukadzi wavo.
Angavaende kumasters amana ayozvinonetsa vedwe.
Because I'm thinking it's a variety day, and
uda kuita smoke kune mwana, it's a big deal.
I'm not trivializing it, but in Trukuti, obviously it's during the week, and it's my official events, and it weekend takatobata daddy and daughter's day out the whole day
to compensate
for that, because
you can't picture parents are going to be
I'm going to take you. I'm going to come with Shafla to take us pictures there, and because how then do you compensate for graduation here, masters, and once what graduate for masters what graduate, and
kuPlay uchazona say mwana act
I play no acting.
Guys, the wife is a red flag. The husband was with her. The husband was with her. Thought,
because I'm also thinking, all right, fine, and it's fine, because to one day, it's fine. He goes to his daughter's play day, and in the end of master's, it's fine, and it is also eating. And what about life after? remember
wakundimudhurirere
ndozvaatopo
Mada.
and do you also think imi semi muda kushatisa vanhu but imi ndatozoona mune mwoyo wakaipa mwana do you think akazouya kumba advisitra baba wake I will still have that
yes kanobva watomakira
vanhu mune mwoyo wakaipa
imimi step
aiwa vanhu mune mwoyo wakaipa vaupusha vanhu kuti
hanzi graduation yemasters haina pressure like first degree stepmom should understand that vavepo for the kid. It's very important for kids.
mwana achatozoitawo degree baba wake voenda kugraduation yedegree
hanzi morning weekend and lewe ngaangoenda kumasters graduation mwana achine many more graduations.
Exactly.
umwe akati daughter is permanent, wife is temporary. Hanzi another message inzwa anadid imi a man is not related to the wife, daughter is oh, and someone comes first imi ndofunga dzevarumidzi maiwe yo ho
nyaya dzakadai so dzakanaka. You know, I appreciate cases like this.
yeah
zvinokuita kuti uzive pauri chaipo chaipo
position yako mulife memunhu
dziri right because kana achitaurirana kudai so ndichikuti I'll prioritize you what ndinosinganyatsosiya
unozoona when it's time to act, you know, to walk the talk kuti oh handistoripo paningiripa palist of priorities ndiri pasi
akomana imasters rataita tichingirira ro it's fine handisi kuti harina kukosha mwana danga regraduation yemwana taiti ibig day remwana istage yakuenda but this is just
I think he
any other random day yekuti kune
it's
visual.
not a random
It's
thing.
a random
I have a role, the daughter has a daddy.
danga regraduation yemwana yekuti mwana ari kugraduate
Okay, hold on, taura nemwana dad.
everyone dads are gonna be there.
Exactly. Oh, my friend, their dads are coming, daddy.
And I told my friend that you're going to beat them all.
They play good music. They're funny.
Everything. I can't say any one of